my goal for you is to, number one, learn the material and learn how to work with this material in a way that allows you to first learn it and then secondly mutate along with it so that you're sharing it with your clients in the way that feels right for you. I'm going to give you ways in which to use this information to help your clients become practical and grounded and actionable in their own understanding of their chart. I am a coach by training and a nurse by training. First and foremost, I can't teach it without showing people how to use it. And I want to teach you how to understand it and to be able to very coherently and in a very grounded way be able to use it as a tool that gives people actionable steps and thoughts and ideas and inspirations that they can take home with them and put into work as they learn their human design or learn to live their human design. Here's my main point. Your job, the call that I think you have answered as people who are in love with human design, is to learn how to use this powerful tool to help people construct for themselves a narrative about who they think they are that is true, that is empowered, that is aligned with their brilliance, their creative nature, their unique and irreplaceable role that they play in the cosmic plan. And when we look at human design, we are looking at not only their personal story, but the role that they play in humanity's story. Because the thing that people really want to know when they come for a reading is this. Number one, am I okay? And that's usually the people with a lot of mutative definition asking that question. So yes, they want to know, am I okay? They want to know, number two, do I have a purpose? And when you can show them, yes, you have a purpose, and that purpose is so powerful and so unique and so vital to not only the people in your life who you love or who depend on you, but to the entire cosmos. Literally, each and every one of your clients is making the world what it is today. And you can show them that unique role that they play, not only in their life, but in the unfolding of the evolution of consciousness through the human story. They walk away going, I'm not an accident. I didn't get dropped off by aliens. I'm here. Well, maybe they did. Some of them did, I think. I'm here for a reason. And I now have a vocabulary that I can use to describe that reason. And I can give the whisperings and the longings of my heart and soul words that help start to give form to the fulfillment of the story, the true story of who I really am. That's, I think, personally, the most important job that you could be doing on the planet right now is bringing people back to that understanding in that place. Because the world needs people to be aligned with who they are and their right place in the cosmic plan so that all the other pieces can click into place as we disrupt the old and move into the new. So take your right hand, reach it over your left shoulder unless you have rotator cuff issues. Pat yourself on the back and say, good job, you, for getting yourself here. All right. And for doing all the work and making all the choices that you've made up until this point to get yourself here, because you're helping the world grow and evolve into what it's becoming.